If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for our next videos. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing, using, and uninstalling a sandbox environment. A sandbox is a virtual environment that allows you to test or run software, code, or files without affecting the rest of your system. Now, in the control panel, go to the Program and Features and Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down the list until you find Windows Sandbox. Check the box next to it and click OK. Wait for the components to install. Restart your computer. Launching the Sandbox. Navigate to the Sandbox app and run it. You can search and explore the Sandbox features. To install Windows Sandbox, you need to have Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition or later, or Windows 11 with ARM64 or AMD 64 architecture. It is useful for experimenting, debugging, or checking for malicious behavior. Sandboxes are used for various purposes, such as software development, web services, cybersecurity, and fintech. Windows Sandbox, a feature that lets you run applications in isolation from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. You can use your files in Windows Sandbox, but you need to copy them from your host system to the sandboxed environment. There are a few ways to do this, such as creating a .wsb file with the mapped folders element to specify the folders you want to access in the sandbox. You can then run this file to launch Windows Sandbox with the mapped folders. Using the clipboard to copy and paste files from your host system to the sandbox. You can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V or the right-click menu options. Using the Run in Sandbox context menu option for supported file types. This requires installing a third-party tool called Run in Sandbox. Note that any changes you make to the files in the sandbox will not affect the original files on your host system. Also, when you close Windows Sandbox, all the files and data in it will be deleted. If you want to save any files from the sandbox, you need to copy them back to your host system before closing the sandbox. When you restart the sandbox, you don't lose any information, but when you shut it down and start it up again, you start a new environment. So you have to be very careful. Now see the steps to uninstall Sandbox. In the control panel, go to the Program and Features and open Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down the list until you find Windows Sandbox. Uncheck the box next to it and click OK. Wait for the components to uninstall. Restart your computer when prompted. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our next videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.